guys, what's going on? We got 93, 94 Hockey Series 2. I think is that what it means. We got randomly inserted Dynamic Duo and Eric Lindros cards. That'll be sick. Includes one Gold Rush bonus card. Pack's pretty thick. Let's see what you got in. Let's see what these cards look like. Oh, some gold in the middle. We got top rookie Darren Carter. Nice. Careful. These cards are kind of stuck together. Just dropped it right there. 10 to a 7 right away. You got Bob Basson. That's pretty cool. But the card's got like some fade on it. Ted Drury. Got one more card. There you go. Bob Corkum. We don't want to see that gold one. Hold that to the back. Glenn Healy. Mike Raichi. A lot of rookies in this one. Eric Winrick. James Patrick. Lexi Yashin. Rookie. That's cool. Kelly Kiso. We got Chris Pronger, rookie, nice. And what do we got here? Gold Rush, Bob Basson, base, Nosh.